Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, hooray! Official, completed, done and dusted. Chelsea announced the signing of Jorrel Hato, the talented centre-back who is better than Gabriel and Saliba combined, who is better than Konate and Van Dijk combined. Guys, official announcement from Chelsea, the deal or Hato transfer to Chelsea is done and dusted. And as we are speaking now, Hato blood is no more red, but blue. Hato is now bleeding blue. Chelsea official unveiled him, and Hato became the first player to wear, yes, the golden badge, the best club in the world. Yes, the golden badge for the best club in the world. Hato became the first player to unveil it, to wear this season jersey, this season shirt with the golden badge. And very soon, it will reach us. It will reach everybody, all Chelsea fans. It's time for enjoyment. Ladies and gentlemen, Hato signed 7 years contract with Chelsea till 2032. And Chelsea will pay 43 million for this young talented centre-back. And also, Hato sent a message to Chelsea fans. Hato said, I should tell you something, guys. And Hato called me this morning that I should tell you something. What is that thing? This is it, guys. Jorrel Hato on why he joined Chelsea. I think I will be a good fit for the way Chelsea are playing. So I was sure about taking my step to Chelsea. For sure, it was a big decision. I played 7 years at Ajax. And for me, it was home, the people, the players, the coaches, the culture. So it was not easy to leave. But my feeling was that at this moment, I needed to make a step to the biggest club in the biggest competition. What a wow. Listen from Hato himself. Some people are not taking it serious. Listen, biggest club in the biggest competition. Chelsea, he called Chelsea biggest club. Yes, in the world. Yes. And for me, this was the right decision at the right time. And this is the records I just told you about. Jorrel Hato is the first Chelsea player pictured wearing their gold world champion badge. Chelsea get to keep it on their shirt for 4 years after winning the Club World Cup. Yes, 4 good years. Jorrel Hato will begin training with Chelsea at Cobham on Monday. I am very excited. I'm so happy to be here. I thought a lot about my future and wanted to take the next step in my career. Chelsea is the best place for me to do that, so I'm very happy. Do you know that Jorrel Hato rejected Liverpool and chose Chelsea at the end? I'm telling you. I even heard he rejected Bayern Munich, he rejected Real Madrid. So many clubs, big clubs went for him. And he said, no. You, this club, move away from me. I want to join Chelsea. I want to join the best club in the world. So now, Jorrel Hato is Chelsea player. And Chelsea will begin training on Monday, 4th August. He will be included. Yes, he will train with his new teammates. So now we are waiting for Xavi Simon, so that we can have Dutch-Netherlands combination in our team. I don't think currently we have Netherlands player in our team. Yes, only Hato recently, and Chelsea is still working on Xavi Simon. Let's see. And one thing I like about this player, guys, this player is free injury-prone player. He has been in Netherlands. He has been in Ajax 7 years. Yes, 7 good years, and he played several games. This guy is a fit player. When we say a player who is fit, when we say a player who never get injured, it's Jorrel Hato. It's Jorrel Hato. Over the past years, we have not been lucky as Chelsea Football Club. Anytime that we sign a player, particularly the defense position, at the end, injuries. Recently, Fofana, Reece James, and now Badiashile. Injuries. But Hato is injury-free prone player. Hato doesn't know something we call injury in football. And that is good. Hato is more or less a robot. I'm telling you. No. You see Cucurella, you see Caicedo, Hato is in that bracket. They never get injured. They are more or less robots. So that is good because as Chelsea, we are sick and tired of signing injury-prone players every day, every season. No. It doesn't help. No. Look at Wesley Fofana. He's now a liability. I'm telling you. Recently, we are lucky with Reece James. Yes, at the ending part of the season, he has been fit, our captain. Yes, over the past year, some seasons ago, Reece James was also a liability. So, guys, this should be a reason that we should like this son. I'm telling you, he doesn't get injured. He is injury-prone free player. I'm telling you, no. He knows nothing about injury in football. And he is relentless. He can play, let me say, at more than 38 games in a season and never get tired. He is relentless. And Chelsea, this is what we need to. This is what we need. So that next season, in case any of our defenders are not available, Hato will be there. Even in case he plays so many games, how many games, 10 games in a row, 15 games in a row, he can still give his best performance without being tired, without getting tired. So another thing I like about Hato Sane is he is relentless. I'm telling you, Hato can play so many games at the same time in a season and never get tired. Yes, so his relentless nature, that amazes me, that I like. And I think this reason should make us like this signing. And another thing Hato is bringing to Chelsea is his versatility. This guy can play as a center back. He can play as a left back. I'm telling you. He can play as Liverpool. He can play as Chalobah. He can play as Badiashile. He can play as Tosin. And he can also play as Cucurella. That Cucurella position. Yes, so his versatility nature, especially modern football as a player, you have to have the ability to play 2 or more positions at the same time. And Hato is that player. Hato is bringing that to Chelsea, versatility. He can play several positions at the same time. And information even came that Enzo Maresca will do a lot of rotation next season. Yes, Enzo Maresca will be a manager of unpredictability. No manager can predict Enzo Maresca. Yes, anytime that any team is going to play against Chelsea, Chelsea will be a team difficult to predict because Enzo Maresca like rotation. Yes, that is why Chelsea is bringing him players who are versatile. One player who can play 2 or 3 positions at the same time. So next season, Chelsea want to build a team, yes, a strong squad that will be difficult to predict because Champions League, we must go there and compete. Not just to go there and participate. Information even came that Chelsea want to go there and win in next season. It has been a long time. 2 seasons, Chelsea haven't played Champions League. So as we are back, we have to go back fully. We have to go there and win it. I'm telling you. So next season, we are not going there to be bottless or to participate. No. Chelsea, we only win. No. We don't know participation. If we participate, we make sure that at the end we win. So next season, Champions League football, we are coming. And this Club World Cup that we won, we now put ourselves at that level again. Yes, we send ourselves back to the Chelsea that we used to know. So now, teams will start respecting Chelsea. Now, teams will come prepared to play against Chelsea. I'm telling you, after Chelsea beating PSG, overrated PSG, the time the world was against Chelsea, everybody was against Chelsea. Now, teams will start respecting Chelsea. So for that matter, we have to prepare well. I'm telling you, be it in the Premier League or the Champions League or any tournament competition Chelsea is going to play, we have to prepare. Guys, now we send ourselves back. Yes, to the level that we belong, the highest level, the elite level. For that matter, it's really good that Chelsea is bringing in more players. Yes, to bring the squad depth so that even in the Premier League, if some players play and become tired, yes, we still have more players to do some little changes in the UEFA Champions League. The same as Carabao Cup, the same as FA Cup. Because for me, what I saw from this, our team, the improvement, the maturity, the winning mentality, I want us to win another important major trophy next season. And it has been a long time we win domestic trophy. Yes. As I think since 2017 or which year, the last time Chelsea won a domestic trophy in England. Yes. Since we won the Premier League 2017 up to now. Yes, we tried several times, FA Cup final, but VAR gave it to Liverpool. Yes, VAR cheated Chelsea. Yes, the agenda against Chelsea in England is insane. It's insane. So next season, guys, I want at least 1 European trophy and 1 domestic trophy. Probably treble. Yes, those who said they are going to do treble this season, at the end of the day, they told them that they should go back. So probably, maybe at least treble or brace when we come to winning trophies. Brace or treble. And let me say maybe FA Cup or Premier League when we come to domestic trophies. Yes. And for Champions League, we don't have any option. Yes, one European competition next season. So at least winning the Champions League. If I can beat European champions, PSG, why should that I can win the Champions League? If I can beat PSG, who beat Liverpool? Liverpool, they top the group this season. At the end of the day, PSG humbled them. Real Madrid, we all know Real Madrid. Who are they? Yes, their history. When it comes to Champions League football, what and what. At the end of the day, PSG humbled them. So many teams, Atletico Madrid and co, even our brothers in London, Arsenal, at the end of the day, PSG humbled them. The first league, they said because Partey wasn't there. The second league, Partey was there. Partey was in the party. At the end of the day, PSG humbled them. And now, when it was time for Chelsea, the world was saying that Chelsea, we should count the goals that we are going to collect. Take 6-0, they will give it to Chelsea 6-0, 7-0. At the end of the day, we humbled them. We stopped PSG. See, they beat European team to some extent. They went outside to Inter Miami, United States, Messi Inter Miami, and Woto, they give it to them. That competition, they were scoring everybody clean sheet. If not 4-0, 3-0, 5-0, 1-0, 0-0. When it's time for Chelsea, we said, no, PSG, we are Chelsea. We are not Real Madrid. We are not Atletico Madrid. We are not Arsenal or Liverpool. Even they beat Pep Man City. Can you believe that? During that, yes, the group phase, they beat Pep Man City. I think that was 3-2 or 4-2 or what and what. So when it was time for Chelsea, I said, no. Or Chelsea, we said, no. We give it to them. We gave it to them 3-0, 3-0, 3-0 clean sheet. And that game, what even surprised me was that the way we stopped them. Like, we made them look stupid on that game. Like, we made them play nonsense. Yes, on that day, I'm telling you. Like, on that day, it didn't look like PSG. Like, if it were to be Africa, I would say that day, we did them juju. I'm telling you. If it were to be African football, I would say, no. Chelsea, do juju. But this is not juju. This is real. This is tactical brilliance from Enzo Maresca. And this is super fantastic, fabulous performance from our players. I'm telling you. And the mentality. So guys, if we can beat European champions and become the best club in the world, what should that next season we can win the Champions League? What should that next season we can win the Champions League? All day we are winning the Champions League. And the Premier League, the same thing. For the Premier League, if not because Enzo Maresca said, during that time, we are not in the title race, what and what. I don't want to even remember about those things. See, the Premier League was there for the taking. The Premier League wasn't for Arne Slot. It was for Chelsea. I'm telling you. See, I will say this and say this over. See, you will see this Premier League Arne Slot won. It's not for Liverpool. It's for Chelsea. That is our Premier League. But because our manager was inexperienced at that time, he was having that little fear on him. Dr. Phil Thomas, he was looking at our squad, the young squad, and was thinking that we can't do it. So that is why, at the end of the day, we could not win the Premier League. So this season, whether the Premier League or the Champions League, or as I said, any domestic trophy. So guys, Chelsea completed the signing of Jorrel Hato. Now official, Jorrel Hato is Chelsea player. He will start training with the new squad. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And today I gave you another video about George, Chelsea latest transfer, and Xavi Simons latest, and so many transfers in Chelsea camp. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Share this video, please. Hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. When any new video come on this channel, you are going to be the first person to see it. Take care, peace.